Alright. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new unboxing video. I know I've been a little AFK for a little bit. I did miss uploading a live cop from last week, but that's because while recording, I was not able to cop anything. I got high traffic after high traffic after high traffic on my PC. I have no idea what was going on. So then I stopped recording. I was like, fuck this. I am not gonna be making a live cop video this week because that was completely trash on the PC. I did manage, as you can see, well, a couple of these boxes are actually a couple sneakers I got during the week. But then we also have 4 packages from Supreme. Obviously, you see this one. That's a skate deck. Every one of these, I basically got the skate deck. I did get off the restock. I got a couple more other things off restock, but mainly most of this stuff was copped from my phone. I was having major problems with PC for some reason, like on the desktop. It just giving me high traffic after high traffic, and I just could not do anything. No matter, I just manually did everything, it still gave me high traffic. And then I went on my phone, manually did everything, and just went through right just like that. I have no idea why I was doing that. I definitely should be coming out with a live cop and a dropless video coming out in the next few days, and on Thursday the live cop will be coming out, so definitely subscribe to stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's get right on into the video. Actually, I think I'm gonna start with this one first. I did open up some of these boxes earlier ahead of time, but I did not open up like out everything. I just wanted to save some time, you know? Alright, so right off the bat, this one is gonna be a skate deck, and it looks like they gave us the free gift, which is the bubbles. I'm gonna put that off to the side for now. Alright, as you can see, we got the stickers skate deck. Here, let me move the mic so I'm gonna get a little closer to show you guys. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little closer look here of all the different stickers. There's a whole bunch of different old stickers. I believe someone I mentioned in one of my other videos that they dated back all the way from like 2010 or something like that, if I remember correctly. But there's a lot of fire and unreleased stickers on this deck. I really like it a lot. I'm probably gonna be putting it up on my wall back there with my other stickers on that blank area. Unfortunately, they didn't give me any stickers for this one, except for the one box logo that's in there, of course. But no stickers, just a free gift on that. I'll move on to this one. There's gonna be a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, I already feel another free gift in this pack. Open it up from there. This one's a fatty multi-card I got. Alright, so first off, we have the Hanes purple crew socks. Had to get those for the personal. Next, we have the small box long sleeve. I did decide to get this in the Dusty Perp. It's in the extra large. I don't know if I'm gonna decide to hold this and then resell it or just keep it, but it's pretty fire. It was only like 68 bucks with this fatty card, so they will eventually go up to like 100 and something for resale. But then I did, alright, and then I did manage to get this Raphael tee. I only got it in pink and medium though, unfortunately, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do to get them. I'm definitely gonna be holding on to this. This is definitely a pretty nice piece. I like it a lot. I wish I got one in my size, to be honest. That's the first tee of this pack, and then we got one more. I have the H-Nick tee in the extra large, and a pink again. Show you guys that. And then that, I do like the nice box logo and the parental advisory. A little nice hit right there on that. Probably not going to be keeping that one either. Alright, and then I also did get the purple t-shirts. Unfortunately, I was not able to get the boxer briefs in my size for these because those actually did sell out, surprisingly. But they're probably going to be restocking them a bunch. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like we got some stickers and another Bubbles free gift right there. I'll show a little close up now. But yeah, that's basically the bubbles. Got 2 of those, and then let's see the stickers we got. Alright, so we got a mouse sticker for the first one. Ooh, alright, so they gave us 2 regular box logos, and we got the special box logo for this week as well. This is the H-Nick design on that. Moving on, we have another Supreme package. This one's definitely a lot lighter, so it's probably gonna have 1 or 2 things in it. Actually, what you mean? I never buy a single thing unless it's like a skate deck. I always try to multi-cart stuff. Alright, so this one, ooh, there we go, okay. We got another one in this pack. Another one of those special box logos. 2 more regular box logos. And they did give us another one of these bubbles there. So now we have 3 of those in total. So this cart is gonna be the Champions box logo New Era. And this is a size 7 1/8 right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it has all the years that Supreme has been around. Right there, it says 27-time champions all the way from 1994. This one is in the navy colorway. I'm definitely going to be holding on to this to see how much it can climb in its price. And then eventually going to be reselling. And then of course, you got the black waist bag, because you can never go wrong with some black waist bags from Supreme. They always do well in the years to come. So I'll be holding on to that as well. Looks like that's it for that box. Ooh, this one's pretty heavy. This is another Supreme package. Obviously, you can tell from the tape there. We got another fatty multi-cart. Unfortunately, they did not give us any special stickers in this cart, I don't believe, but just 2 regular box logos and another bottle of bubbles. So we got 4 of those in total. I might be giving away a couple of those in the future. So definitely subscribe to stay tuned for those. The first hat in this order is this Fine Whale Corduroy S logo 6-panel. Very nice. These black S logos always do well down the line. And then I got a washed chino twill camp cap. These ones didn't really sell out right away, but I still managed to get them up because these camp caps with these box logos always tend to resell for a little bit. Hats and beanies are one of my favorite things to resell from Supreme. They always tend to give me some sort of profit back. We got a few more tees in here. So we got a mouse tee black extra large right there. I'm probably honestly not going to be keeping any of these tees from this week because they weren't anything too special. I did get the Bureau tee, I think it was. Yeah, actually the Bureau tee looks a lot like the classics or like the shop tee that they released in the past, but I got that in white extra large. And then the last but not least tee, we have the skeleton tee in like the Superman type of artwork there with the skull, but I got that in the red or the cardinal extra large. And then the last item in this package, this is going to be for the personal, did get a pair of regular jeans in my size. Hopefully they fit nice. I did not have any jeans or any like actual pants from Supreme, so I did want to get one for the collection. So moving on, we got a couple Jordans to unbox here for you guys. I'm not going to go into a really in-depth review of these just because I am going to be reselling one of them and keeping the other. And looks like this one is going to be the Jordan 1 Tokyo Biohack. I did manage to get these on like I think Nike sneakers did like a second chance thing where they dropped a few different types of Jordans. I did manage to get these and then these fire red 4s that I'm about to unbox for you guys after this. But this is actually going to be my second pair of Biohacks. I did sell my other ones just a little bit ago, and I'm definitely going to be holding on to this until the price goes back up from what it is, because it has come down a little bit from people getting their pairs in from this last little like second chance release that they had. But anyways, here I'll just give you guys a little quick glimpse. You guys know basically what the Tokyo Biohacks look like, so I'm just gonna give you a quick glimpse of these. They're a pretty nice high quality shoe, but they're just not something that I would personally wear. I don't really have anything that I could wear with these, but some people do maybe, I guess. But pretty nice fire sneaker. Definitely gonna be holding that until it goes back up into the price from what I sold it at before. I did sell it at like a 300 about before, so I'm definitely gonna wait until it goes back up to that price. This is a size 13 men's. Ugh, why is this one heavier? Okay, so this one is my second W from that second chance sneakers drop, and then this one is gonna be the Air Jordan 4 Retro in the fire red colorway, I believe. I do like this box a lot better than the regular Jordan 1 box. It feels nice. But here we go. Here is the Jordan 4 fire red. Let me just get all this paper away. Put so much paper in here. These ones are definitely gonna be, I'm gonna be keeping in my collection. I'll go ahead and grab them out here for you guys. This is gonna be my first pair of Jordan 4s that I own. I own like 3 pairs of 1s, like 2 pairs of 11s. I own a pair of 5s and 12s. If you guys want me to do like a sneaker, my like 2020 or updated sneaker collection video, let me know down in the comments below. But here you guys, I'll give you guys a close-up of these fire red 4s. These are definitely can't go wrong with the white, red, and black shoe. Definitely one of my favorite colorways for a shoe to have, because I have a lot of clothes that can go with these. So yeah, really fire, brand new, nice high quality, buttery smooth leather. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put those in my shoe casing over there and stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it for this unboxing, I believe. There's nothing left. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me see what these bubbles are all about here. Damn. That would produce a lot of bubbles there. You can see them float around, but alright. But anyways, that's going to be it for this unboxing. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely drop a like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel for future uploads like this. That would be much, much appreciated to me and help me grow in the future. And as always, guys, much love. Appreciate you all. Peace.